YouTube. It's a beautiful day out, don't you think? Hope this good weather holds up. I am just so excited about the Memphis trip tomorrow I gotta go on. It's gonna be some redbirds, probably not some bluebirds, but you never know. You never know what could fly up while you're just hanging out at the redbird game. It's probably bluebirds that are so prejudiced against the redbirds, they gotta ruin the party, you know? Happens every time, I tell you. You know, last redbirds game I went, some purple birds showed up. It was pretty tragic. All the redbirds were they were totally upset. But you know, that's what you get for living in Memphis. Different colored birds. It's crazy.